Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is VW life, rounded bolts on my cradle. Well, hello, VW Lifers. We would like to, everybody here, the whole crew's here together from VW Life, and we would like to wish you guys all the happiest Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, everything rolled into one. We just wanted to say how much we appreciate you guys being a part of VW Life and the community, and what it means to us to be a part of us, because this is what we are. We're all together. We're all one, and it's a very special thing that we share, and we share it with you guys too, and we just want to say thank you very much.
Yeah, I think it's great that we bring so many people from around the world. I love reading the comments and where the people are from. It's wild how far we get out, and I just want to say thank you for everybody. It's super awesome.
And I want to take this time to say, Martin, I got you something for Christmas.
Awesome. Where'd you get this?
I got it at allmetricgarage.com.
Oh yeah? What do they have there?
They have all the VW Life, Texas Junk Kings, Chum Bucket Racing, all the merch that you can ever think of, all at allmetricgarage.com.
That was a really shameless plug. But
Yes, it was.
Hey, it's what Christmas is all about.
They have stickers too. that's like the best thing I've ever seen.
Hey, that's what it's all about. It is Christmas season. It is time to be married. So,
well, that's my
And to prove how much you love somebody by buying them more.
Oh, that's right. It is. Now's the time to do it. And boy, howdy, if you had experience before with getting stuff from our old Merc place, it's a whole nother ball game now. It's quick and easy. So make sure you check out All Metric Garage. We just want to tell you guys again, thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles. Also, tell them Merry Christmas. This is what it's all about. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next year. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a 40 horsepower Volkswagen. Over the fields we go, dripping oil all the way. Bells on boomer rings, making your spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing with VW Life tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.